Introducing the sifWELD Evolution MTS500DP and MTS500 Robot, two 400-volt 3-phase multi-process industrial welders with separate wire feed units. Both are 500-amp machines that deliver a 400-amp output at 100% duty cycle, suitable for MIG, stick, and TIG welding. The MTS500 Robot allows full robotic digital or analog control from most industrial robots. Both machines combine intelligent Synergic and manual MIG welding and offer smooth and powerful genuine Lift-TIG and MMA performance. They feature displays on both the power source and the wire feed unit. The MTS500DP features pictorial color LCDs, while the MTS500 Robot includes LED displays. Both are simple and easy to use, and allow quick configuration of all required settings. In MIG manual mode, these include current, voltage, gas, arc force, burn back, and inductance. In MIG Synergic mode, by selecting the material, MIG wire size, and gas type, the machine automatically provides optimal settings, even for high production aluminium MIG welding, while giving the user the ability to fine-tune any parameters, including settings for MIG brazing. In Dual Pulse mode, you can set the delta pulse current, pulse frequency, pulse duty cycle, and base current arc length. And a supervisor lock is available for specific welding settings. Torches with onboard extraction, compatible with either machine, are available separately. Both units can be used in stick mode for welding with all popular types of electrode, and in TIG mode with genuine lift arc ignition on direct current for welding on steels, stainless, and copper. The MTS500DP also supports the use of an optional 4-meter spool-on gun, which pushes the capability of this model even further, enabling tangle-free MIG welding of aluminium on small half-kilo spools. Both supplied as a ready-to-weld package, in the box you'll find a SIF-gun MIG torch with Euro plug, work return clamp, and gas regulator. Air-cooled as standard, either machine is available as a water-cooled package. If you require an advanced, reliable welding solution, then the sifWELD Evolution MTS500DP or MTS500 Robot will be a perfect fit. Learn more at sifweld.com.